Worship Suite is a popular church management software, but before you commit, there are a few things you need to know. We're breaking it all down for you today, so you can decide if this is the right fit for your church or if you should look elsewhere. Stick around to the end for an alternative that might better suit your needs. First, Worship Suite is known for its ease of use. It's simple to set up with a clean interface that lets you get up and running quickly. However, compared to some competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, it lacks some advanced features and customizations that more tech-savvy users might expect. If you're looking for something that offers a bit more flexibility, you may need to look at other options. Next thing, Worship Suite offers tools for managing everything from church attendance to donation tracking. However, it doesn't offer the same level of integration with third-party tools that platforms like ChurchTrack or Fellowship One do. This can be a limitation if you're already using other specialized software and want everything to sync seamlessly. The third thing to consider is its membership management feature. It's relatively straightforward, allowing you to track members, attendance, and follow-ups. But if you're managing a larger congregation, you might find it a bit basic. Larger systems like ACS Technologies offer more robust features for churches with more complex needs. The fourth thing, Worship Suite includes a built-in communication tool, allowing you to send emails, texts, and even automated reminders. This is a great way to stay connected with your congregation, but it falls short when compared to something like Planning Center's robust messaging system, which allows for more detailed segmentation and targeting. The fifth thing is its financial management feature. While it does let you track donations and create reports, it doesn't have the depth that other platforms like Breeze or Tithe.li offer. If financial management is a priority for your church, you might want to check out other options that focus more on accounting and donation processing. The sixth thing to mention is Worship Suite's event management. It does the job well for simple events, but it doesn't have the same level of detail or customization options that you'll find with systems like Elvanto, which allows for complex event scheduling and more granular permissions for volunteers and staff. The seventh thing is that Worship Suite offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android, but it's not as polished or as feature-rich as those offered by some competitors. For example, Planning Center's mobile app is more user-friendly, with better functionality for leaders on the go. The eighth thing is the pricing model. Worship Suite has a subscription-based pricing structure, which is relatively affordable for smaller churches. However, as your church grows, you may find that costs start to rise quickly, especially if you need access to premium features. For churches with larger budgets or more complex needs, other platforms like Fellowship One might offer better value. The ninth thing to consider is customer support. Worship Suite does offer support, but it's not as extensive or accessible as some of its competitors. For instance, Planning Center offers phone support and a large knowledge base, while Worship Suite's support is more limited in comparison. The 10th thing is its reporting capabilities. Worship Suite offers basic reports, but if you need more detailed analytics or customizable reports, you might find yourself restricted. Competitors like Breeze and ACS Technologies provide more advanced reporting options. The 11th thing is its security features. Worship Suite does offer basic security protocols, but if you're looking for more granular user permissions or enhanced data protection, you may want to explore alternatives like ChurchTrack, which offers more control over who can access sensitive data. The 12th thing is that Worship Suite offers a free trial, so you can test out the features before fully committing. While this is a nice perk, it's important to note that some competitors offer more extensive trial periods or even free versions, which could give you a better sense of whether the software truly meets your needs. In conclusion, Worship Suite is a solid option for churches looking for a straightforward and affordable church management software. However, if you're looking for more features or better integrations, you might find other solutions like Planning Center, Breeze, or ACS Technologies to be a better fit. If you want to try an alternative that could offer more flexibility